milking cows for us.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There might be like
Anyone taller? You're pretty tall.
how am I gonna pass this exam? I can't even reach the bar.
Be like, this is where I asked the producer to do it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can.
This video is gonna be like 3 minutes of us trying to get this thing over the bar.
Oh, you got it, you got it. Oh, yeah.
Good job, Kelly.
Right there. Okay. The way I remember it is I always started on the inside of the leg. So, like, what you want to do is, like, cut off this tendon.
Gastra.
Yeah. Got it.
The one with the peroneal
You
nerve?
pass.
Okay.
So, you go around the inside of the thing. So you've got one loop. Now you want to go the other way, right? So the way you go the other way is by going. And then from here, you need to pass your rope through the loop that you've made.
Yeah, and you want the Honda as high as possible when you're actually doing it.
You think I actually have to lift the leg on the exam, or can I just
Yeah.
say, and this is how it would work?
No,
Yeah.
you gotta lift
So
it.
then,
What?
And then you go in here.
You got
Yeah,
it.
Ask the examiner to help you.
Yeah, because the higher you
And I'm gonna give this to you. You pull.
more leverage. More
Yeah.
leverage.
And I'll finish marking.
I feel like there's some kind of weird thing that they did when they were actually doing it.
Yeah, to hold it up.
Can you tie it? Yeah. You can tie it like. I mean, some people will say that you should just hold it. You can tie it anywhere. Like some people tie it back.